Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, we're doing a morning routine. Already got my day started. I made sure to make my bed, brush my teeth, start writing down my tasks for the day so that I can stay productive throughout the day. So now I'm going to go ahead and read my devotionals for the day. I've been reading the YouVersion app, the Bible on there, but there are specific plans that I picked out. So I try to read those on a daily basis. So I'm going to go through my plan. It normally only takes me about 5-10 minutes to get through that, so I'm going to go through my plan and then also say my morning prayer, and then I'm going to go ahead and get my day started. So I got these new pieces from Wasted Fitness. You all know that I only wear these for my workout clothes. They're so comfortable. And she came out with a new yoga pants line and then also some new sports bras. So, you know, I had to pick those up. I'll make sure to leave the link down below, and also a coupon code for you to be able to use. I don't make any money off of this, but just for you to be able to use for your purchase. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my workout clothes. This is the outfit. I absolutely love this. These leggings are so stretchy. The sports bra is holding everything in place, so I really love this set. Like I said, you can purchase other colors. I got some gray ones as well. This is the only sports bra that I got from this collection, but I did get the gray leggings as well. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Okay, so now I'm actually going to go downstairs and get my water, and then I'm also probably going to make a coffee. I'll show you all how I've been, well, not every single day, but when I am in the mood for coffee and need a little extra boost, I'll show you all how I make that as well. Been drinking this coffee. It's a skinny brewed coffee from It Works. Again, I don't sell this product. I supported a friend who actually sells these products, but this coffee is amazing. It comes in this little pouch, and this is like the cleanest but most energizing coffee that I probably have ever had in my life. And it has fat burning components in it, so it just makes me feel really good and makes me feel really active. So if I need an extra boost in the morning, this is what I get. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in, and I'm also going to mix it with some creamer. Okay, so I'm about to get a quick workout in. I'll probably do something quick now and then come back. I normally do a exercise class that's online on Instagram called Effect Fitness. It's amazing. Normally they have classes early in the morning, but I didn't wake up in time. So I'm just gonna do a quick workout, maybe like a 10-minute just quick like HIIT workout. And then I wanna come back this afternoon and get like my full workout in. So, but I do wanna get my blood flowing and pumping to start the day. workout is complete. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make a protein shake or smoothie. I'm not like super hungry, so I may come back later for breakfast, but I am going to make at least this protein shake to kind of get me through the morning. So let's go make our shake. Okay, so I'm actually going to be using this new Mixit blender from Teami Blends. They sent this over to me to try out, and I'm so excited to try it. It is basically a portable blender, and you all know I love something that is quick and convenient. So I'm going to make my shake in this blender today. So it comes with this top, and what's cool about it is when you open the top up, it's literally a spout so that you can drink out of it when you're done. So I'm gonna set that to the side, and then it comes with a container, and then of course the base and the blender. So that's it, and I'm about to drink. This is actually really convenient. Like, I never would have thought to get or even try a portable blender, but this is actually very convenient. So if you want to try it out, link is in my description. You can also get 25% off with my code DANNIE25, so definitely check it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish drinking this, then I'm gonna go ahead and prepare to get into the shower.
I know it don't show, but I'm falling. Cigarette smoke, sick from drinking. Baby, don't think I will save you, but I'll tell you the things we can do if you give in. There is nothing to be broken. Hear this moment. Don't let me think that. Give me what I need. Just wanna forget. Don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises. Don't wanna go deep. Do it again and again, babe. No matter if we come clean, tomorrow is soon. We'll be strangers. It's so easy and free in this dark. One more exists. There is nothing to be broken. Hear this moment. Don't let me think that. Give me what I need. Just wanna forget. Don't need time to breathe. Two hearts pumping blood, beating up for fun. Caress my bruises. Don't wanna go deep.
Okay, so I already did my brows off camera really quickly. It's normally how I do my brows. I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow. I'm going to be using these Stella Rain lashes. These are so pretty for everyday use. So I'm going to put these on. And I'm also going to be using this Estelle Luxe, if you can see, this Estelle Luxe Clear Lip Gloss. Let me open it up so you can see the packaging is fire on both of them, on the lashes and the lip glosses. So yeah, that's a lot gloss I'm going to use. The special thing about these brands and also the brands that I use for my skincare, they're all Black owned businesses. So I'm going to make sure to leave their information down below in the description box so that you can check out all of their brands. They're all bomb. I love to support all of them. So make sure to check them out down below in the description box.
Waiting up for fun. Caress my bruises. Don't wanna go deep. Don't let me think that. Give me what I need.
Okay, and so that is my simple look. I know it's not anything spectacular, but it's just something to make me look awake without caking a whole bunch on my face. I don't want all that. I feel like my skin is doing pretty well, especially since I've been using the Say Less Skin company products. And so I'm pretty happy with how I look. I also put on this just little dress. Normally, because I am working from home, I don't really go anywhere. So this is just kind of like a cute little dress to wear around the house while I'm also doing some work. And that is actually all of my morning routine. I'm about to go ahead and get started for work. So that is everything that I do in the morning time. Please let me know down below what other type of videos that you would like to see. Also, let me know down below different special things that you like to do in the morning in order to get yourself ready for the day. I did want to give a special thank you because we have hit 10,000 subscribers on this channel. I'm so freaking excited to even have the opportunity to be able to speak with you all. So thank you so much for your support. I really, really, really appreciate it. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.